You are welcome to Explains 102, where complex financial ideas are made simple. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Everyone uses money. You earn it, you spend it, you depend on it every single day. But here's a serious question. Do you actually understand how money works? Because most people don't. They wake up, go to work, earn money, and spend it. Month after month, year after year. And somehow, no matter how much they earn, they still feel stuck. So what's missing? It's not effort, it's not luck, it's understanding. Because money follows a system. And if you don't understand that system, you'll keep working for money your entire life. But once you understand it, you can make money start working for you. In this video, we're breaking down the complete system of money, from how it comes in to how it grows into real wealth. Simple, clear, practical. Let's begin. Everything starts here, earning money. This is the stage most people focus on their entire lives. You get a job, you run a business, you provide a service, and in exchange, you receive income. Now here's something important. Income is not wealth. Income is potential. It is the opportunity to build wealth, but not wealth itself. Because what matters is not just how much you earn, but what you do with what you earn. Many people increase their income, but their financial situation does not improve. Why? Because earning alone does not create progress. It only creates possibility. So yes, earning is important, but it is only the first step in the system. Now we move to the next level, keeping money. This is where saving comes in. Because if you cannot keep money, you cannot grow money. Saving is what creates control. It gives you stability. It gives you breathing space. But most people struggle here. Why? Because they spend first and try to save what is left. But most times, nothing is left. So the system breaks. Now here is the shift. You must pay yourself first. Before spending, before bills, before anything else, you save a portion, even if it is small. Because saving is not about size. It is about habit. And that habit is what builds the foundation for everything else. Section 3, the third level, protecting money. Now, this is a level many people ignore. Protecting money. You can earn money, you can even save money. But if you don't protect it, you will lose it. Protection means avoiding things that quietly destroy your finances. Things like unnecessary debt, impulse spending, poor financial decisions, living beyond your means. These are silent leaks. They drain your money slowly, and most people don't even notice. Think of your money like water in a bucket. Earning fills the bucket. Saving keeps some inside. But if the bucket has holes, the water will still disappear. Protection is about closing those holes. Because it's not just about making money. It's about keeping what you make. Section 4, the fourth level, growing money, investing. Now, we move to one of the most powerful levels, growing money. This is where investing comes in. Because saving alone is not enough. Saving keeps money safe,
But investing makes money grow. This is where your money begins to work for you, instead of you working for money all the time. Now, let's simplify it. Investing means using your money to create more money. It could be a business, a skill that increases your income, opportunities that generate returns. Now, here's something important. Investing requires patience, because growth takes time. And many people fail here because they expect quick results. But real wealth is not built quickly. It is built consistently. Slow, steady growth, over time. That is how money multiplies. Section 5. The final level. Multiplying money. Now we reach the highest level. Multiplying money. This is where true wealth begins. At this stage, your money is no longer dependent on your daily effort. It is working on its own. Your investments begin to generate returns. Those returns are reinvested, and over time, growth begins to accelerate. This is called compounding, and it is one of the most powerful forces in wealth building. Money begins to grow on top of money, and the more time you give it, the stronger it becomes. This is why wealthy people focus on long-term growth, because they understand the goal is not just to earn money. The goal is to create a system where money keeps growing.
Section 6. The biggest mistake people make. Now, let's talk about where most people go wrong. They skip the system. They try to jump from earning straight to wealth, without saving, without protecting, without understanding. And because of that, they lose money, or they stay stuck. The truth is simple. You cannot skip steps. Each level builds on the previous one. If your foundation is weak, your results will be weak. So don't rush. Build it properly.
So here is the complete truth about money. Money is not random. It follows a system. Earn it, keep it, protect it, grow it, multiply it. Miss one step, and the system breaks. But follow the system consistently, and everything begins to change. Not overnight, but over time. And that is how real wealth is built. So from today, don't just focus on earning more. Focus on understanding how money flows through your life. Because once you understand money, you stop chasing it and you start controlling it. And if you want more simple, powerful lessons like this, subscribe to Explains 102. Because mastering money is how you master your life.